Right, so just leaving Tregaron. Tregaron. So we've just gone through the pass, got to the other end, had a sandwich, had a pee, had a little slurp of water. Tregaron. Tregaron. Jesus wept. I'll put the name down the bottom. But yeah, so I mentioned this quote that I saw last night: if you can see the top of the mountain, it's about to rain. If you can't see the top of the mountain, it's already raining. That's about Welsh weather, and it was true. Literally got to the to that place, and it started raining. I left it too late. Oh look, there's the open reach lot. He's got his hard hat on, he's going climbing. Rather him than me. I'll probably be doing it next week though, but won't be in this lovely location. So this is why I want to do it in reverse, because you get to see all the stuff that you didn't see coming the other way, like this. Here comes the rain. But yeah, 12 miles, about half an hour, so you'll be with me for about half an hour. It's the first other bikes I've seen today, although I did see someone on I think it was a KTM going this way, so he's probably in the middle of it now. Well, you might get some droplets on the camera, so it might not be that good a footage. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I looked at the weather forecast on my phone this morning, and it said it was supposed to brighten up about 1 or 2, but then I looked at it at that last place, and it was, yeah, it was rain, 100% rain. So there you go. Shows you can't count on what it says on your phone. If it gets too bad, I might have to stop recording. I don't want to. I suppose what I've done already is already recorded, isn't it? So it shouldn't bugger that up. But yeah, this might not be very usable. Should have got out of bed earlier, shouldn't I? Glad I put the old waterproofs on though. Like a roller coaster. Up. See if we can get over somewhere. Went past him on the way down. So that's the way we're going. I'm getting a very wet face because I pulled my visor up because I couldn't see where I was going with all the droplets of water, and it's not easy to wipe when the camera's there. I don't think we'll go exploring up that other path, which is up that way. Oh, look at that. That is tempting, isn't it? Wonder what is that? Why? Where does it go? Will we ever find out? Ooh, got that far to decide. There's another way up there. Well, that's the way we're going. There's another way that way. But yeah, the rain is coming in sideways. I think we just get crack on. We'll save that way for another day. I was going to say for a rainy day, but we've already got that. Alright, visor's going to have to come down. Yeah, boy. We are in the clouds. And I'm swallowing rainwater. Max is getting looked after by our host. I got a bit of signal in that last town, and she sent me a little WhatsApp. She's in bed with some sandwiches and juice, some fruit, so she's getting nicely looked after. Oh, little mousey. Just about avoided him. Well done, Scrambo. He was probably running full pelt right into my direction. We're going to be stuck behind this fella, or is he going to let us go? Yeah, glad I put the old wet weather wear on. I'll tell you what, if he comes back, I might, will I be able to nip round him? Let's just go round. Lovely jubbly. Thank you very much. Sorted that little problem out. Yeah, this is the first proper rain we've had over here, to be honest. It is coming in sideways. Oh, what a glorious road though. I'm glad I decided to come back. Forest road there. Because you do sort of, you get a different aspect of it going the other way. Wonder if it's raining where Max is. Whee! Whee! Yeah, boy. Look at that. I'm guessing that's where we're going. Don't know actually. I think we are going around there. No, that's that way. So we're not going back that way. So there are other roads to explore. That's hardcore, isn't it? That rain really is quite biting now. In the pines, in the pines. Okay, so that goes down to that place. Yeah, we're on the right road. Remember that turning. So there's a few little roads going off this road that could be explored. Right, here we go. 25% drop. So let's go down to third. Bit of back brake. Steady as she goes. Second. Yeah, he's a real tight one here, I think. Yeah, I've gone down to first. No heroics. Drop her down to first. Look where you're going. Whoop, bit skiddy. And then admire the view. Hello sheeps. Alright, don't panic. I mean you no harm. Where are you going? You going over? You stay there, sunshine. Yeah, this wouldn't have been very good for Max, but she's not feeling well. The last thing she needs is getting a soaking. We're supposed to be going further into Wales to spend the night tonight. There was somewhere nice by the coast, but we blew that out. So it takes us further away from getting home tomorrow. Booked a spa hotel in Swindon to break up the journey tomorrow, but from our B&B I think it's only about just over an hour, so that's totally doable. We'll get her there, even if the weather's as bad as this. We'll just get her there, get her warmed up. I don't think it'll be like this tomorrow. I don't think it was supposed to be like this today. Just shows you, you've got to enjoy everything when you have it. Well, yesterday was a glorious day. Make the most of everything when you've got it. You never know when things are going to change. I'll stop rambling on. I'm talking to myself really. We're almost out. Then I'm going to take this camera off and then crack on back home. Whee! Trying to avoid the sheep shit. In the valleys. This car coming up. Should have probably pulled in there, Rick, you twat. There we go, we're going here. This is the wettest I've had the GoPro out in, so I'm not sure how it's going to behave. Still got a red light flashing, but yeah, I usually put it away when it gets like this because I've got the mic on. It's not waterproof. Oh, we've got a Mexican standoff. Look at this guy. Hello, buddy. Don't fall over. Yeah, we're pretty much done though. I think we went up last time. I think we went up that where it forks off. I think we turned right there because I think that carries on going up, and there's another vantage point where you can sort of stop and take photos. I seem to remember it just getting better and better, and then we were stopping all the time to take photos. But I'm pretty sure we went up really high, so I think there's probably that little right hand fork where I didn't want to go up, left hand fork on the way back where the sort of water was coming down. I think that goes up more. So I think that's pretty much it now. So I think I'll probably pull over somewhere, take this camera off, maybe get the sat nav out, set it for the nearest petrol station. Ah, it's really quite hard now, that rain. I'll find a bit of a shelter. Diversion. Road closed ahead, diversion. So that was the way I came, I think. So there's the name of that. Let's see if I can get, I'm going to sign off now anyway. I'll see if I can get a what 3 words. I'm going to park over there. Because we've got a bit of shelter here. Park over here, take the old camera off. Right, so that was the Devil's Ladder. We'll see you in a bit.